The facility's immediate response was it's corrosion. We have to investigate.
Okay.
So,
which is okay.
you know, and
All
the owner's like, okay, well, I'm fine with that. You can. Here's where an inexperienced owner comes in and says,
right.
yeah, no problem. You're authorized to repair that. Well, here's what happens. They get some young intern, or young newbie that's working on the floor, who comes in with his sandpaper and his grinding machine, and all of a sudden he grinds all of that off, and sure, he makes it all look nice and pretty with bare metal. But what he's done is he has degraded the thickness to where they actually will graph this out, and you'll see about 100 different measurements in every square centimeter, and they end up grinding too much material off. And so now we go from a spot of surface corrosion that if it had just been a little Scotch-Brite or a little bit of 1200 grit sandpaper and just gently massaged it off, it would have been done and repaired.
Service, yeah.
But now we've got a $90,000 repair.
Oh no.
I've had another situation on a little Mustang that we had represented a client on, and they found a little spot of surface corrosion on the corner of the emergency door hatch. Same example. A facility comes in, gets heavy-handed on this, heavy sandpaper, heavy grinding, overgrinds, grinds the limits on that flange to below minimums. Well, now all of a sudden the aircraft is unairworthy. There's no replacement part available. I'll tell you another funny story about how we rescued the deal. But and the lead time was 74 days from the manufacturer for a new skin. So these are the types of things that if you don't have the right experience helping oversee that, because once it's in the facility and the facility says it's unairworthy, you have two choices. One, allow them to repair it. Or two, say no, which they won't sign off the inspection, and then you have to go and get a ferry permit to move a ferry flight to move it to another place to have it done. So, but going back to the Mustang example, we were able to, again, because of our experience and because of our connections, I had an airplane that was down for engine overhauls, and I actually took his old door hatch, put it into mine because the airplane wasn't flying, took my door hatch, sent it to his airplane, put it onto his airplane.
Now it's good.
Substituted the part, and then when we got the new skin back, we were able to reverse everything, but it put the airplane back to airworthy status, and we were able to get the transaction closed.